Even in 2025, when everyone's chasing crypto, AI stocks, and side hustles, real estate still quietly creates more millionaires than anything else. Welcome to Fully Vested, where we teach financial freedom step by step. If you're ready to learn why real estate still wins, subscribe and let's get started. Real estate doesn't just grow from appreciation, it builds wealth 5 ways at once. You earn cash flow from rent, equity from every mortgage payment, tax savings through write-offs, leverage using borrowed money, and appreciation over time. No other asset class gives you that combination. And that's why even in a high-rate environment, people who understand the math are still buying, not waiting. Here's the simple math. Buy a $300,000 duplex with 5% down. Rent covers the mortgage, and your tenants pay down your loan. In 5 years, even if prices don't skyrocket, you could gain $50,000 to $70,000 in equity and cash flow. That's the first door effect, momentum that compounds with each property. Every door you own becomes an employee that never calls in sick. Most people never start because of 3 myths. I need a lot of money. False. FHA, VA, and creative financing let you start small. It's too risky. Risk comes from not knowing the numbers, not from the property. Tenants are a nightmare. With systems and screening, they're predictable, not painful. The truth? Real estate rewards people who plan, not those who panic. Real estate is how ordinary people buy back their freedom, one door at a time. You don't need to flip mansions or own skyscrapers. You just need the first door. Subscribe for more step-by-step videos like this. And when you're ready to learn how to analyze your first deal, join the Fully Vested School. Link in the description.